Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 is making strange noises, it could indicate a problem with the ring or cap. This often happens due to wear and tear, or if debris gets trapped in the components. If left unresolved, it may lead to further damage or reduced performance of your vacuum, ultimately making your cleaning tasks more difficult. To perform this repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a soft cloth, and a replacement ring and cap designed for the Dyson V11. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged. To safely open the device, locate the screws at the base of the unit. Using the appropriate screwdriver, gently remove these screws and set them aside, ensuring you don't lose them. Carefully lift the outer casing, applying gentle pressure to avoid damaging any clips. Now, we need to locate the faulty component. The ring and cap are usually situated near the motor housing. You'll recognize them by their distinct shape. Once you identify the components, take a moment to assess their condition. If they appear worn or damaged, it's time to proceed with the removal. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the ring and cap, noting their positions for reassembly. When removing these components, be gentle but firm, ensuring you don't damage neighboring parts. Once extracted, take your replacement ring and cap and position them correctly, following the original orientation. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight, to prevent any strain. Now, we'll reassemble the casing. Line it up carefully, making sure all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping the threads. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After reassembling, it's crucial to test your Dyson V11. Plug it in and turn it on, listening for any unusual noises. If everything sounds normal, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure you regularly clean your Dyson V11, removing any debris that could cause wear. Additionally, consider using filters that trap more dirt, reducing stress on the components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.